Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to work this wavy slip stitch to join two sections of crochet together. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. So let's get started. Bring the two sides together that you're going to join. So here's the stitch we're going to insert into. Insert your hook from this side, not this side. So from the outside, insert your hook in that stitch on one side of the work and make a slip stitch. Now you're going to go to the other side, and you're not going to go in this way. No, you're going to go in from this side. So insert the hook from the outside of the stitch and slip stitch. Come over to the other side. From the outside, slip stitch. Go to the other side. There's the next stitch on the other side. From the outside, in and slip stitch. You just keep doing that. There's the next stitch from the outside and slip stitch, and go to the other side. There's the next stitch, and you go from the outside in and slip stitch. And that's going to form this cute wavy slip stitch and join your two pieces together. I hope you enjoyed this quick crochet tip. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.